Your surveillance system might be completely ineffective against high-speed vehicles, missing crucial evidence. Today, we reveal an AI-powered camera designed specifically for traffic monitoring, ensuring you never miss a single detail. First, let's talk about its incredible visual capabilities. This is a 4MP 4.3x ultra-low light WDR surveillance camera, featuring a 1 or 1.8-inch sensor. Even in extreme low light conditions of 0.0005 lux, it delivers clear images. What's more, with its powerful 150 dB WDR and 50 MIR range, it captures detailed footage regardless of lighting conditions, making it perfect for highway toll stations, city intersections, and factory entrances. Traffic managers often struggle to monitor traffic flow and incidents in real time. This AI-powered camera solves that problem with smart traffic analytics, capable of detecting traffic flow, speed, congestion levels, and even violations like lane changes, wrong-way driving, and illegal stops. Whether deployed at traffic light intersections, highway exits, or parking lot entrances, it provides real-time insights to optimize traffic control. For environments with high-speed traffic, this AI camera is the perfect solution. It supports high-speed and multi-lane detection, capturing vehicles traveling up to 120 km per hour when front-mounted and covering up to 3 lanes simultaneously. It's ideal for city expressways, industrial parks, and large parking areas, ensuring that every vehicle is tracked accurately. Click the link below to learn more and never miss a crucial traffic event again.